And it's time for round 2 for the COVID vaccine for some people. Health leaders in the South Bay rolling up their sleeves to get their second shot. The third hour of Today in the Bay continues right now. Well, good Wednesday morning, everyone.
In the meantime, Governor Newsom is sending out an SOS to the federal government asking for help to treat California's surge in COVID-19 cases. Today in the Bay's Bob Riddell joins us live in Concord, where some healthcare workers will receive their second round of vaccine shots today. Bob?
Good morning to you, Laura. You'll recall the doctors and nurses who treat COVID-19 patients here at John Muir Concord and the other John Muir locations here in the East Bay received their first dose of the Pfizer vaccine back in mid-December. This is just after that vaccine was approved. Today, they will receive the second dose, which is recommended for better effectiveness for the vaccine to be fully effective. Yesterday, MarinHealth Medical Center administered its second round of vaccine shots to its healthcare workers. So far, about 1,800 people at that hospital have been vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine. As you mentioned, Governor Newsom is asking the federal government to deploy hundreds of medical personnel to help deal with COVID-19 cases in Southern California, where they've seen that surge. The state needs 500 medical workers to be deployed into skilled nursing homes and hospitals where that surge is taking place down south. ICU capacity in San Joaquin Valley and Southern California are at zero capacity. 0%. The chief medical officer at MarinHealth Medical Center is watching SoCal closely. Bay Area hospitals from Sonoma to Monterey County are at 5.9% capacity. The number is not great, but she remains optimistic.
Based on the forecast models that the county has shared with us, that we won't approach anything as dire as Los Angeles. But of course, I don't have a crystal ball, so I'm crossing my fingers, and we're constantly reviewing our resources.
Back to Governor Newsom's request for help from the federal government. Normally, the USNS Mercy Hospital ship would be called into service in a situation like this to create more beds for patients sick with the deadly coronavirus. But right now, that ship is under mandatory maintenance and unavailable. Reporting live here in Concord, Bob Riddell, Today in the Bay.
All right. Thank you very much, Bob.